Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see, question number 4 is, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals of the diagonals of a parallelogram the diagonals of a parallelogram the diagonals of a parallelogram rhombus the diagonals of a parallelogram rhombus square and rectangle square and rectangle bisect each other Number 2 are perpendicular bisectors of each other. The diagonals of a rhombus and square. The diagonals of a rhombus and square. The diagonals of a rhombus and square. The diagonals of a rhombus and square act as perpendicular bisectors of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Number 3. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. The diagonals of a square. The diagonals of a square and rectangles. Square and rectangles are equal. Right? You see the first one. Name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle bisect each other. Are perpendicular bisectors of each other. The diagonals of a rhombus and squares act as perpendicular bisectors of each other. And 3. Whose diagonals are equal. The diagonals of a square and rectangles are equal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.